What's up, guys? Welcome back. I hope that you're having a fabulous and stress-free day. I know that's my goal every single time I wake up. It was like, can I have a stress-free, easygoing day? But if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Eve, and I hope at the end of the video we become friends. Now, what am I going to be talking about today? I am doing a review on a brand new launch from Jeffree Star. This is called Star Wedding. Here is the packaging. I love the lace on here. I think it is gorgeous. I paid $62, and I did buy this at Beautylish. This is the only thing that wasn't back ordered, so that was actually a blessing for me because this is the only thing I actually wanted, so I didn't have to spend money on things I really didn't want. So let's go ahead and look at the actual packaging of the palette. Now, this is a heavy-duty cardboard. Am I impressed by it so far? No, but I think where he spent the money is this. I could have did without it. I would have just liked better packaging than heavy duty cardboard. I'm going to go ahead and show you this, the mirror, without blinding you. The mirror's okay. I would say I would give it a B. And let's go ahead and remove the packaging, protecting the shadows. And I'm going to let you take a good look. You do get 25 shades in here, and I like a lot of them. The only one that I'm kind of iffy on is the extremely bright pink. I probably won't be using that very much, but all the other colors are screaming for me to play with. Now, this is a little more than his normal palettes. With it being $25 shades, I don't think it should be costing $62, but I don't know if that's because the inflation thing, because usually around this size is $52. So I think it's a little more than what he normally costs or charges, whatever you want to say. But let's go ahead and show you some other palettes and what they cost and the quality of them. This one has 18 shades. It is $52. This one over here, another one of my favorite packaging, 18 shades, $52. Over here, I told you I have a lot. I like Jeffree Star's eyeshadow formula without all the drama, without all the shit. So 18 shades, $52. And I know there's not very many shades and it's expensive. It's because of the packaging, but you're going to see more of the packaging of what this one is. So this is $52, 18 shades. This is freaking cute. Now we have this one. This has extremely large pans. This is $45 for 10 shades. The Thirsty palette that is Old as Sin, $48 for 15 shades, and it's pretty good size shadows. And I saw this today. If you've been wanting this, I see it on Beautylish for 40% off. Just a hint there, if you've been wanting to try that. Now, here is around the prices. So this is 24 shades, $58. So even if he would have did 58 instead of 62, I think that would have been better. One of my favorite palettes, this is the Orgy palette, so it's all nudes, 30 shades, $62. So with this being $62, I think we should have gotten the same price as this. And I even like the packaging more on here because I like the little embossing with the little Jeffrees around the word. I think that is absolutely adorable. And this one was $62 for 30 shades. So now you kind of see of where I'm coming from. The packaging just didn't wow me. But let's go ahead and see if the formulas wow me, if it's the same formula, because it could be inflation. Everything is going up. Now, how did I prep my eyes? I did use the Milani eyeshadow primer. And let's go ahead and jump on these shadows. You see my outfit. I got a nice black top on, some pretty earrings, brought out the red lip, which I never do, and then I just have my hair curled up in a clip. So this is me trying to be classy, my tomboy ass. Okay, what do I want to go for first? So I'm gonna go for Devotion over here. Is it Devotion? No. First Dance. No. Do I want to do that? You know what? I'm going to change up my look. I'm going to go for Committed. We're going to fit this red lip over here. So let's go ahead and jump on that. Put that all over. This is powdery. It does have some kick up, so if that bothers you, does not bother me, because I always do this. How's your week going? Mine, I'm doing a lot better. Thanks to you guys. That's what my thing is. If you saw one of my last videos, I think it was the FabFitFun, I was beating myself up because I felt like a failure. Like I wasn't meeting all my tasks that I wanted to do. And so many of you guys went on there and said that you were in the same boat as me and that you understood, which is amazing. That you guys are just like me. I don't want to come on here and be fake as hell and then happy like there's nothing going on. I'm using the NYX glitter glue, by the way, as I'm talking to you. I don't want to come on here like that. I want to show you the real me, because are we happy 100% of the time? No. And I was just in my depressed state. I get in those states sometimes, but listening to you, I decided to give myself grace. Take it easy on myself, because I know I'm really hard on myself. Everybody else, I give them chances. I'm not that hard on them, but me, I don't do the same. Okay, next color. I really like this one over here. This is Star Vows, and this is right above the brown I just used. It looks like a champagne color. Put that towards the inner corner of the lid. And I use the NYX glitter glue because I have allergy eyes and they water. So I started an agenda, and what I do is I do my daily tasks that I want to hit, and then I do my weekly tasks, and I try to mark off as much as I can. And so far it's been working well. And then far as the weight loss, how I was coming across it was going over, and I was thinking about that person that lost the over 100 pounds. So I was comparing how I was now to that. And I wasn't being nice to myself. So I went over, I was like, you need to be in the moment you are now. The size that you are now. Give yourself grace. Make small changes and do that. And I feel a lot better going to the gym, because I was so embarrassed going to the gym before. Let's go. I really like the Bridal Beauty right over here. It's a really deep bronze. So that's what I've been doing, is just pretty much giving myself grace. Not being so hard on myself. Because I think we are the hardest on ourselves. So hopefully I'll have good results doing that, and I won't get extremely depressed like I was. These are blending amazing. I swear they have kick up, but the blend on them, that's why I don't care about all the drama. His cosmetics are amazing. I've already talked about it in different launches. I wasn't perfect growing up, and I'm not the first to throw stones. We have to deal with our own shit. We got enough shit going in our lives that we don't need to sit there and look at somebody else. But if you don't agree, then just don't buy his stuff. So I'm going back into that one Committed just to blend everything out. As you can see how gorgeous everything is going on my eyelid. They're blending perfectly. Now let's go. What I like to do is over here on my lower corner of my eyelid. I usually, whatever color I picked over here, I do, but I'm going to do something a little different. I'm going to do a different shade. So I'm going to do I Love You over here. As before, I would pick the Bridal Beauty and do that, but I just want to see another shade. And if you could see, I just put it over there and connect it. And with that, I like to do that because with my watery eyes, eyeshadows are a lot better than liners. But if you get it too close to your eye, I know Jeffree Star is one of the only ones that do it to me. You do get like 6 seconds of sting. So that looks gorgeous. Now we're gonna go the inner corner and do Cut the Cake. So this is kind of nice because he usually has more raunchier names for his shadows. I have people that come in and ask me what I'm wearing, and I know they're very religious and they don't cuss like me. I'm like, oh God, I can't tell her. And I just go over, oh, I don't remember what the shade is. That is really gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to go back into Star Vows and just tap it in at the inner corner of the eyelid. Not the inner corner of my eye, but the inner corner of my eyelid. More blending. And I'm really stoked with how that looks. Now, I have a lot of fallout, so I'm going to go brush that away along with getting my eyeliner on and my mascara. So I'm going to be right back, and I'm going to tell you if this actually blended away, because if not, my makeup is highly fucked up right now. So be right back. Thank God the fallout did brush away, so we're all good. But like I said, I don't care about fallout. As long as my shadows come out amazing, my looks, I'm all for it. And look how amazing this came out. Absolutely gorgeous. This is my husband's favorite look. I was walking around and he was giving me tons of compliments, and that's my favorite thing. When my husband notices, because my husband does not notice anything, and whenever I do looks like this is his favorite. He doesn't like bright color eyeshadow or anything like this. He likes the very elegant eyeshadows like this. Now, do I personally think this is worth it? Absolutely. Even though this is a little more than what his normal palettes cost for how many shades you get and the quality of the palette, I don't mind, because it seems like he still put all of his quality into his eyeshadow formula, and that's what I care about. And maybe the packaging is just not my jam. Maybe you end up loving the packaging and you don't care about being heavy duty cardboard, but I don't regret buying it. And I can even say this is my new #1. It beats the Orgy palette I was talking about, and they're both $62. So I absolutely love this. This is my new #1 by him, so that says a lot. Another little tip, I do this with everyone that they put the stupid string there. I cut it off because I like to completely open my palette, and with it just barely being sandwiched open, I like to get the full Big Daddy thing that you can just open it all the way. I hate when it's like this and then you're trying to add the shadow on and it just makes your life more difficult, and I don't got time for that. But absolutely, like I said, 2 thumbs up. My absolutely favorite new palette by him, which was shocking because I did not think anything could beat this one. I have bought this one for personal friends because I love this so much. Every time I want to get him something special, I spring for this one over here. Now, I hope that you liked this video. I did want to show you one other thing I picked up from his line. I told you I was going to let you know when I bought it. I rebought his face wash. I absolutely love this sucker. I have so many face washes out of the wazoo to get through, but I miss the sweet cotton candy strawberry smell. This is my favorite. It's a bomb-ass cleanser, and I finally repurchased it. So I'm excited to hop in the shower after this, wash this off, and get to bed. Because it is late and I already put in my task for tomorrow to go to the gym. To start off my work day on 2 thumbs up like this palette. So let's go ahead and get fur baby time out of the way so I can say bye to you guys. So let's go ahead and do the corny dance. It's fur baby time. Come on, Shooky. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. I love you guys so much. Remember, you guys are fucking awesome in my book. Bye, guys.